हेलो एवरीवन 9 बज गए क्या? इज इट 9 p.m? Yes. I'm Mohit Jain, your host, your host, and as usual, always in the ghost mode. Welcomes you to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. And today we would be discussing few questions which were actually asked in Bitwise Global as online assessment uh, for their for engineers recruitment, and these were the questions which were asked on 3rd July 2021. Quality standard of this question was it was quite good enough, so I plan to bring up these questions to you. As far as their assessment is concerned, their aptitude assessment was divided into 5 categories, as you can see. Abstract reasoning, 6 MCQ were asked, which were supposed to be answered in 10 minutes. Analytical ability, numerical ability, data analysis, which is data interpretation, verbal ability, then hands-on programming, and SQL. So today I would be focusing all 8 MCQ which were asked in numerical ability section. So let's begin now. In a juice corner, a juice maker mixes 48 liters of orange juice with 144 liter of pineapple juice. Here we can see that ratio is 1:3. Okay. This vessel contains orange juice and pineapple juice in the ratio 1:3. X liter of total mixture is taken out, and 32 liter of orange juice and 48 liters of pineapple juice are added in the mixture. Now the mixture is added in the ratio like by 8, 16, 2:3. But X liter of mixture is taken out. Now the final mixture contains 30% orange juice. Find the quantity of the mixture that is taken out. We need to find the value of X. So let us concentrate only on the orange juice. Initially, orange juice was 48 liter. X liter of mixture was taken out, and the ratio of orange to pineapple juice was 1:3. That means proportion of orange juice taken out is X by 4. This was already there, this was taken out, and then 32 liters of orange juice was added to it. This is equals to 30% of the final product in the mixture. Final product in the mixture was 144 plus 48 is 192. Yes, 192 liter was the initial, minus X liter taken out, plus added up how much? 48 plus 32, that is 80. So if we solve this equation, we can find the value of X. 48 plus 32 is 80 into 10, 800, minus 10 by 4, 2.5x, equals 192 plus 80 is 272. 272 into 3 would be 816. 816 minus 3x. If 3x comes here, 0.5x equals 816 minus 800, that is 16. That means x is 16 divided by 0.5, that is 32 liters. Find the quantity of mixture that is taken out. Quantity of mixture that is taken out is 32 liter. That is in option C. Now, somebody asked me that whether this question can be solved with help of our rule 6 from our rule book, that is butterfly diagram, also known as alligation cross diagram, from our jungle rule book. Let's see. We have first container in which orange is to pineapple juice is 1:3. So in first container, orange juice is 1/4 in proportion. We have second container where orange and pineapple juice is in the ratio 2:3. So here proportion of orange juice is 2/5. Now these two containers juices are mixed together to get another juice which contains 30% orange juice. 30% orange juice means 3/10. Let us find out in what ratio the ingredient of these two juices are mixed. So to get 3/10. 1/4 minus 3/10 mod 10 minus 12 is 2, 2/40. And 2/5 minus 3/10 is like 20 minus 15, that is 5/50. So the ratio what we are getting is 2:1. Now what was the volume of the second jar? Volume of the second jar was 32 plus 48, that is 80. If volume of the contents of second jar is 80, which is equals to 1, that means volume of the first jar should be 2 into 80, that is 160 liter only. That means content of first jar which were mixed with the content of second jar is 160 liter. But we know that initially 48 plus 144, that is 192 liter was the content of the first jar, from which X liter was taken out, after which it becomes 160. That means X is equals to 192 minus 160, that is 32 liters. Yes, our butterfly diagrams fits in. Company Flipkart is being sold and company Amazon and Myntra, we have Flipkart, Amazon and Myntra, we're considering the purchase. The price of company Flipkart is 50% more than Amazon has in assets. So if Amazon assets value is X, Flipkart's assets value is 50% more, that would be 1.5x. And this same price is also 100% more than Myntra has in assets. So if Flipkart is 1.5x, Myntra should be half of Flipkart, that is 1.75x. Because Flipkart is 100% more than Myntra, that means Myntra is 50% less than Flipkart. If companies Amazon and Myntra were to merge, these two companies are merging, and combine their assets, so assets of AM would be now 1.75x. The price of company Flipkart would be approximately what percent of these combined assets? We are just supposed to find the value of 1.5x by 1.75x. X cancel out. 150 divided by 25 is 6 and 4 plus 3 7. 6 by 7. 6 by 7 is 85.71%. That is option given is 85 and 86. I'll go with 86% because it is more than 0.5. 85.5, it is more than 85.5. We'll go with 86. That is in option C. "10 years ago, the ages of a member of a joint family of 8 people added up to 231 years. So 10 years ago it was 231. 3 years later, one member dies at the age of 60 years. So what happens after 3 years? These 8 members' age would increase by all 3, and then a member age 60 years die. That means 3 years later, what were the total ages? 231 plus 24 minus 60 minus 36, that is 195. Okay. And a child was born, that means now again there are 8 members in the family. After another 3 years, one more member died again at 60 and a child was born. That means after 3 years, that means we are at minus 4 years from present. Total ages would be 195 plus 24 again and minus 60. That is minus 36. 195 minus 35, 160, 159. The current average age of the 8-member joint family is nearest to. Now, total present age would be 159 plus 8 members are there, and it will take 4 years to come to the present age, 32. 159 plus 32 is 191. So, average age would be 191 by 8, that is 2 times, and 31, that 32, 24 years approx. It would be 23.875. Yes, 875, but options are given in whole number. So 24 fits in option A. Mr. Joy's family consists of 6 people: himself, his wife, and their 4 children. It is known that the average age of the family immediately after the birth of first child was 16. That means total of age of the 3 person would be 48. After the birth of second child, it was 15. That would be 15 into 4, 60. After the birth of third child, average was 16. That is total ages would be 80. After the birth of fourth child, average was 15. Total would be 90. Find the age of Mr. Joy's eldest son if the present average age of the entire family is 16 years. Present average age is 16 into 6, that is total ages presently is 96. Now look here, from 48 to 60, difference is of 12 years. Here 3 people have grown by 12 years. That means each person have grown up by 4 years. Similarly, when we move from 60 to 80, here 4 people have grown up by 20 years. That means each person have grown up by 5 years. From 80 to 90, difference is 10, and this is grown up by 5 person. That means each person have grown up by 2 years. Here difference is 6, and here 6 person have grown up by 6 years. That means each person have grown up by 1 year. At this point of time, his first son was born. Age of his eldest son is 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. That is 12 years now. Option C fits in. A vegetable seller can buy lemons at the rate of $20 per lemon. The cost price is 20 per piece. Each lemon is a part of an overall collection, and the value is linked to the number of lemons that are already in the market. So the vegetable seller sells the first lemon for 2, second lemon for 4, third lemon for 6, and so on. If he wants to make an overall profit of at least 40%, what is the minimum number of lemons he should sell? Let the minimum number of lemons he should sell is X. That means selling price that he will collect from selling X lemons would be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus the selling price of the Xth lemon would be 2X. So total selling price would be 2 common 1 plus 2 plus 3 till X, and that is 2 into X plus 1 by 2. That means selling price of X lemon is X into X plus 1. Average selling price would be X into X plus 1 by X, that is X plus 1. Now we know that he wants to earn at least 40% profit. That means according to the profit rule, selling price average selling price should be 20 into 140 by 100, that is 28. So average selling price from this particular equation 1 is x plus 1. From profit and loss point of view is 28. Therefore x plus 1 is equals to 28. X equals to 27. He should sell at least 27 lemons so that he can guarantee that he have earned 40% on his investment. Option A fits in. The marked price of a wedding dress is 2.5 times his cost price. That means marked price is 250 if cost price is 100. That means marked price is over 150%. The dress designer gives consecutive discount of 15% and 10%. Discounts are always given on marked price. So D1 is 15%, D2 is 10%. Find the profit percentage obtained by the shopkeeper. We can go by our rule 3 advanced rule for net change, which is given by x plus y plus z plus xy by 100 plus yz by 100 plus zx by 100 plus xyz by 100 square. This is x, y is minus 15, z is minus 10. So 150 minus 15 minus 10 is 125. X into y, 150 into 15, 225 divided by 10 would be minus 22.5. And 150 into minus 10 would be minus 15. Minus 15 plus 10, 150 by 100 would be plus 1.5. Then plus into minus, 150 by 100 cancel, 115 into 15 is 225 by 100 is 2.25. So we have 100 minus 122.5, that would give 102.5 plus 1.5, 104, 106, 106.25 minus 15 is 91.25% profit. That is given in option A. We can also directly do that. Marked price 250, then deduct 15% from it. Whatever you get, deduct 10% from it. Whatever you get would be 191.25, and then you can claim that profit is 91.25%. That is in option A. An empty glass of wine was filled with vodka. When the glass was half empty, it was filled with soda. So I have a glass. Let its volume be 100 ml. It is filled up with vodka first. Now, when the glass is half empty, that means vodka left is only 50. It was filled with soda. That means 50 ml of soda is mixed. Why? Because the total volume of the glass is taken as 100 ml. Again, when the glass was half empty, that means 25 ml of vodka left, 25 ml of soda left. Now it was filled with vodka. How much vodka would be filled in? 50 ml. So now we are left with 75 vodka and 25 soda. When the glass was half empty again, half empty means half of 75 would be 37.5 and half of 25 would be 12.5. This is 50. It is again filled with soda. Now the content are 37.5 and this is 62.5. Total is 100 ml. What is the percentage of vodka at present in the glass? Percentage of vodka at present in the glass is 37.5 by 100 into 100. That is 37.5%. And yes, that answer features in option B. From a full container containing 729 kg of good quality wheat, we have a container size is 729 kg and filled up with good quality wheat. We take k kg and add bad quality wheat to fill it up, to fill the container, means k kg bad is filled up. After mixing the mixture completely, we take k kg of the mixture again taken out and add bad quality wheat again k kg to it. After the procedure is repeated 6 times, the mixture in the container contains 64 kg of good quality wheat. Find the value of k. Here you can go through rule 6. This is from the Jungle rule book, Jungle Fires, and these questions are famously solved with help of replacement of mixtures formula. It says proportion of good quality wheat left divided by proportion of good quality wheat in the beginning is equals to 1 minus k by 729 to the power, how many times this thing is done? 6 times. Taking out and adding is done 6 times. We can use this formula and we can find the value of k very easily. Proportion of G left is 64 kg on 729, that is 64 by 729, divided by proportion of good quality wheat in the beginning was 1, because the entire bag was full of good quality wheat only. This is 1 minus k by 729 to the power 6. Now we can see that 64 is 2 to the power 6, 729 is 3 to the power 6. That means 1 minus k by 729 is 2 by 3. K by 729 is 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3. Therefore, k is 729 by 3, that is 243 kgs. Value of k we are looking out for is option B. The link of the playlist of the Jungle Fire replacement of mixture is there in the description. Please go through it. It's in the playlist, the Jungle, the rule book, arithmetic, the rule book. Yes. So, please go through it to solve more questions of these types. Thank you everyone for participating. This is Mohit Jain signing off from MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. And if you have any questions, you know where to telegram us. Email us. Email ID and telegram channel name is there in the description. Do ask us if you have any question. We hope you learned something new from this particular session. Thank you everyone.